In this video, I'll show you what happens when you repost on TikTok. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to open up my TikTok. Let's say if I would love to repost a post or a video from my favorite creator, what I need to do, just if you click on this share, click on the repost, right? So what happens majorly is that it's gonna come out in your profile repost. So if I refresh my profile now, if I click on the third option, you're going to be able to see that the repost you just reposted is going to come out on your profile. So this is basically what happens when you repost on TikTok, right? So let's say if I undo the repost now, it's going to go out. So if I come on here and refresh, so you can see no videos reposted. So if I come on here as well and repost it again, so you're going to be able to see that I just reposted this here on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please share it us below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. What really happens when you repost is that it's going to come out on your profile. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.